Hi, I'm Tom Woodruff Jr. for the Stan Winston School of Character Arts, and this is my lesson on character design techniques. And in this lesson, we're going to look at a variety of ways to get across the idea of a character design that a producer or director can look at and understand how he's going to work it into his world. If you're designing something that isn't completely human, it could be a very helpful thing to be able to go kind of in between really loose, non-existent proportions and kind of work out some more details. There's a lot of ways of doing this. We're going to start with some very loose concept sketches. This allows us to get the idea and the feeling of the character down on paper. From there, we're going to move into more detailed sketches and eventually end up with Photoshop art, which takes our loose sketches and translates them into photographic elements that are much more real. Eventually, we'll also move into doing design maquettes, which now helps take our flat artwork into the 3D world so that we're able to inform and make the character be understood in terms of three-dimensional representation. All of this is in an effort to get to this stage where we can create full-scale characters to inform the director and the producer and hopefully make the next step of bringing this guy to life on screen.